to turn this tiny little octopus into a deadly and powerful monster. Place the octopus on the monster mixer. Stir gently for some time, and your monster is ready. Yeah! It's even easier than making 2-minute noodles. My precious Octodemon! You're supposed to do all your wrecking and breaking in Mirchi Nagar! Go! Go and destroy that pest of Mirchi Nagar, Little Singham!
Of all that places for you to hide in this police station, you had to choose to hide behind my back? Wanna taste my punch?
Madam, please don't lose your cool. I thought I'd be safe behind your back because I know you're not scared of anything, right?
Yes, except creepy lizards, of course.
True, madam. I too have this phobia only of lizards. Other than that, my karate chop is enough for everything else. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Little Singer!
पुलिस वर्दी शेर खत्म नाम है इसका लिटिल सिंघम
You guys were scared of this puny lizard, is it? Little Singham, cut the taunting and get him out of here! Huh? Go, my friend. Huh? That was cool, Little Singham. You really have a way with creepy crawlies.
Be it jungle or the town, everyone listens when the line's around.
Wow, sir, wow. You are as good at beating up bad guys as you are at delivering cool punchlines. Here you go, a message for you, sir.
Yo, what's up, Little Singham? I have never asked anything of you until now. Not even tea or coffee, not kakra, nor curry. But today I just have to. Please, please, please come to my birthday party this evening. Your biggest fan ever, your dear friend too, Lattu. Hang, see you there.
Sir, your friend Lattu has put up these posters of you all over Mirchi Nagar. Check this out.
Oh no, this is going to be a sticky situation. How can Ajay and Little Singham be at Lattu's party at one and the same time? Anyway, that doesn't matter. To make my best friend happy, I will have to work something out, right?
Huh?
Little Singham, a humongous monster is wreaking havoc all over Mirchi Nagar. Right now he is at Mirchi Bazaar.
To attack my city if anyone is trying, we'll have to taste the punches of this lion.
No matter how hard you try, you will not be able to escape the deadly tentacles of the Octodemon.
Help me! This time my Octodemon will turn that Little Singham into a little speck of dust. Go, go, go!
Sir, he has got many hands.
Octo attack!
He looks like an octopus to me. Hey, octopus! Listen up. The more you mess with my city, the more I'm gonna mess with you.
I have been waiting just for you. Here you go. The deadly attack of the Octodemon.
You know what Mama said? She said,
Aha! Now check this out. India's youngest super cop does what no one else can do.
What is this thing? I think finally it's time for some of Newton's chutney.
Thank you, Professor.
Newton's chutney! This is the world's strongest glue ever! When the sap sticks to someone's body, it makes it very easy to attack them. But there is only one person besides me who can make this glue. Khatarnak Khatri!
Khatarnak Khatri usually makes use of animal properties and powers to prepare his mutants.
So this time the lion will have to take on an octopus. Bang on, Chicky. No matter how many hands he has, one punch from the lion is more than enough.
Newton's chutney! Here you go. This is a magic spray. If you spray it evenly all over your uniform, it will prevent the super glue from sticking to you.
Oh wow, that's amazing, Professor.
Are you coming to Laddu's birthday party this evening, Mr. Superhero?
Oh, thank God you reminded me. I almost forgot.
So funny!
Hold on, let me clean it. I told you to keep an eye on the target.
Little Singham, watch out for me. Your days are numbered.
And then do you know what Little Singham said? Lattu, I'm definitely coming to your party. Because how it is even possible for one lion to miss the birthday of another? And so it goes without saying, you see. Lattu will Kachak only cut his cake once his friend Little Singham arrives. Little Singham at Lattu's party. I have put up these posters all over town. Now he will just have to be here.
Now how do I tell this to Lattu? That if he doesn't let Ajay go from here, Little Singham will never show up. Where did he come from? Oh, Lattu's poster. Time for Little Singham to show up now.
Yeah, who invited you to the party?
Hurry up. Careful.
So the bad guys here, right? Now it's time for Little Singham to show up.
Little Singham!
Chicky! आता माझी सटकली. पंजा अटैक.
Sir,
Here you go, a gift from me. Happy birthday, Lattu.
No!
I am the lion, the deadliest lion around town. There's nothing in the world I cannot do. I can even make an octopus drown.
Wow, wow, your punchlines are deadlier than your punches.